All right, good morning everybody. 427 Windsor stroker engine. Out of a dark block this one. Full forged rotating assembly. Nice T-sump pan. This is going to a 67 Mustang. Customer later on is going to put a supercharger on it, so I filed the rings for that and have an adequate camshaft in it also. But this one we designed with the coil packs on top. It's got the Holley EFI system on here, multi-port fuel injection. Got a nice full boat black CVF kit on his. Just all great parts. Here at Proformance Unlimited, like I said, one at a time. I build every engine just like it's for myself. Hey, you want something, you want the best, give us a call. Proformance Unlimited. We are #1. Peace. Let's see where we go.